Public expenditure, the government spent over 1 trillion shillings in the 6 months to December 2019. According to disclosures made by the National Treasury through the Kenya Gazette, well, the government generated revenues amounting to about 1.245 trillion shillings to fund its operations through a mixture of tax and debt-related revenue sources. In total, the government spent 479.6 billion shillings on recurrent expenditure and 112.18 billion on development expenditure. Top ministries and departments that rolled out development projects include the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure that spent over 30.5 billion shillings, followed by the State Department of Planning that spent 10 billion shillings. The Ministry of Water and Sanitation spent 9.85 billion shillings, while the Ministry of Energy spent 9.8 billion. County governments received 117.29 billion shillings. The government spent 416 billion shillings to meet its debt obligations and paid out 43.7 billion shillings on pensions and gratuities.